So there's that going on where there's a current going this way, and then I guess, like, just thinking what it does next. Maybe going down and around. Like, it definitely goes this way and up this way. So there's a current going this way. So it comes down, runs into it, and just bounces off it this way, up this hill. Because it can't overpower the current coming this way. So it just goes uphill with this wall of current coming the other way. And it ramps up this structure, probably like mounding it by the compression of it all. Goes this way, but then this current's going this way, so it runs into that again. Bends this way through this region. And comes around here, where then it bends again and ends up going up and in. Yeah, I'd say so. I'd say so.